Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday. I took a little bit of time to myself without filming. Today is going to be 80 degrees. 80 degrees! So we may be doing some like outdoor activities today after work. I'm going to play a couple clips. This past week, we've been taking advantage of this really nice weather. Sorry, my phone is shaking. Yeah, so we've been taking advantage of this really nice weather. So we have been going out to like the reservoir to walk around it and just get, some vitamin D, some serotonin, so I can show you guys that. And then we were out at my parents' also, and I love being out at my parents' because I love where I grew up, out in the middle of nowhere. Nobody's around, and it's just like my parents' yard is just, I love it. Just out here in nature, walking around the reservoir. Nicholas.
Little mini halfling.
Yeah, I'm not doing the whole 5 miles. We're doing the 2.2 or whatever.
Out here doing hood shit.
I'm gonna do track stuff, whatever this track thing is that I've never done in my entire life. Yeah, I made it in the water.
This time.
Barely. But yeah, so I got a few things in the mail. With it being so close, we got like less than 2.5 weeks until vacation. So I got a few things in the mail. I don't know if I'm going to do like a clothing haul or like outfit ideas, or if I'll just show you guys random things, but we'll see. But I need to get to work, and I will talk to you guys later. Happy Thursday.
What the heck?
So I get 2 points.
Uh-huh.
Where do I keep score?
On the side there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dang it. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That wasn't enough.
Oh shoot.
So what'd you get? 3, 4, 5.
5 minus 4, 1.
Good. I'm still winning. So I had to come up front after losing at Port Man's Golf. But as you can see, now I'm up front reading my book that I have like 100 and some pages left. Been kind of in a book slump, but I had to take advantage of this tree, my beautiful tree, because it only lasts like a week or two, and then all the petals are gone. So yeah, it's just a gorgeous day. And then I just received or got some bath bombs in the mail, so maybe we'll eat dinner and end the night with a little bath. We'll see. Little spider monkey up there enjoying the flowers up close.
Flowers.
A little jealous.
Come get up here.
I don't know how to get up there.
You climb with your monkey toes.
With your monkey toes. We're up in the tree together. We're gonna die. But I want to show you these flowers up close. Look at that. Stunning. Look at these flowers. They're so pretty.
I do not have a good hold.
Yeah,
I'm
you're
not
gonna...
sure how I'm gonna get back down.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Oh,
So
boy.
pretty.
What you doing up there?
I'm up here enjoying life. I don't know how I'm gonna get down.
I'll catch you.
Okay. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday. It's about 9:30. We woke up early. This is our last 80-degree day. So we're gonna go grab coffee and donuts and take it to the park and maybe do some little nature walking. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Come join us. The frogs are insane right now. And the birdies. Got my drink ready. It's a little loud. We're gonna pick out a bath bomb. Candles are lit. Okay, which one are we going to use? Ew, David. Okay, we chose Shade Queen. It's a black bath bomb, and then it's got some flower petals in it. So, y'all should buy from this. I'll leave the link down below. These are my favorite bath bombs.
Does team take those?
Some of them, but some of them not. So don't do that. We're coming to the party